Hi guys, I'm showing you this video how to install the styrofoam for walls. You can see here. They use screw and a plastic washer. All the way up. From this side there is styrofoam. From the other side there is a drywall, sheetrock. You can see. You can see that's wall block to 12 foot high, and then sheetrock. There is a metal stud work. You can see, and then sheetrock. You can see the screws at the seam. 8 inches at the middle, 1 foot, and then here styrofoam. But you can see, okay. You can see that is the styrofoam, and that is the R value, minimum 7.5 to 2 inch and half thickness. 10 value 2 inches. 12.5, 2.5, R15, 3 inches, and that is, caution, this product is suitable, so it is not fire treated, be careful. You can see, so if the drawing called for fire treated or fire rated styrofoam, you need to purchase a special one. It came with a black plastic at the cover. And here you can see how we install it. And you need to be careful, make sure, check the drawing. Do you need to do tape at the seam or no need? Check the manufacturer. Sometimes you need to do tape, like 3M tape, 3 inches, 4 inches special tape, or Tyvek tape. Make sure to check the manufacturer. Okay, guys. Please subscribe this video. I will upload more videos. Thank you.